Literally so nice out. Holy cow. Right now, I'm going to get food. I taught yoga this morning and then I took a nap. So, sue me, I have a lot to do before I have to go teach dance. I'm in a photo class, so we're gonna go take photos. Let's get a poppin' banger song. What do I want to eat though? Some Lainey Wilson up in this club. Getting dirty looks from people at the bar. Okay, I'm gonna go to Qdoba. I also have a lot of editing I need to do today. And it's already 11! Ah! Okay. How do you spell Qdoba? Qdoba. You know, Apple Pay is dangerous as hell. Because, like, double click. And it's done. Poof. The amount of times I've dropped this fucking camera. Is it illegal to film and drive? Probably. I don't know. So excited for summer. Like, give it to me now. Watermelon moonshine. That boy was mine. Oh, let's roll the window down. What am I doing? You're so sure. Banger. I ain't bringing no roses. I'm almost out of gas. I have been freaking with this song. It's so like summer core. I think it's really just setting the vibes for summer 2026 and I am all about it. I've had too much to drink. Oh shoot, I almost just missed my turn. Alright, we're good. Ready? Shoot, I'm here. I hate when I pull up and I'm like too far away. Hi, I got an order for Emma. Emma? Yeah. Thank you. Yep, you too. Got my little bowl. This guy's staring at me like, what? When people like see this camera, I don't think they know what it is. And so they're like, maybe like a little spooked out because like, I don't know, like it kind of looks like it could be like a weapon type vibe because it's just like black and it's like tall. Like, I don't know, it's kind of like sketchy, but I'm just filming. I'm just a YouTuber, I don't know. I want to be a YouTuber, but I'm really not. So like and subscribe. Okay. Hi guys, I made it to the park. I am gonna find a spot to take pictures. But first I'm gonna eat my lunch at this little picnic table because it's so nice out and gorgeous. So they did indeed forget my chips, so it's kind of sad, but it'll be okay. There's kind of a lot of people out here today actually. Okay. I feel like that's good for here. Everything's kind of dead. So I feel like I want to go somewhere else. Maybe like downtown of the trees. Maybe like that. Ooh, that'd actually be kind of pretty. Okay. We've got. Here's what we're working with: trees, more trees. Okay. And pray that you don't fall. Sure. Okay guys, now I'm at the aquatic park. Super weird, but I feel like it could be like a cool vibe when it's like winter. I think they're alright. Maybe not my fave, but not bad. Nope. Okay, let's find another place. We're just on a little scavenger hunt today. Okay guys, that was successful. I went to 2 more places and took some photos, and I think I'm gonna be good for my project. So now I have to like transfer them, edit them, do everything that I need to do. Literally just edited for about 4 hours. And my computer's gonna die. And me and Ella are gonna go on a walk. Hi guys, happy Friday. Yesterday was a terrible day. Everything about it was bad. Don't want to talk about it. So, not gonna talk about it. But now, I'm getting ready for a little shoot that I'm doing for another like photography major, modeling for a friend. I want to do my nails because they're looking so scary and I've had these forever, so let's do it. It's already burning. I feel like this is just not gonna. Ow. Ow. I literally just got ready, ran downstairs to get my keys, ran to get my car. What? Ran into my car. I'm literally out of breath right now. I'm going to go eat food so fast. I literally have 10 minutes to eat, and then I am speeding to college, to the school, to go take some photos. I ended up doing my nails, so I think they turned out really cute actually. I haven't had my nails made, oh wow, I can't talk. I haven't had my nails done in like a fat minute, and I forgot like how good it feels just to have nails on. Like, being a girl is so fun. Alright, so it's also Friday and it's Lent, so I have to eat not meat. So I'm meeting my parents at Fuzzy Tacos to eat like a little shrimp taco. I'm back from my photo shoot. I think it went really good. It was fun. And I'm excited to see the photos. We did a lot of like motion blur stuff. And he has like a cool light. So we did like hit a pose one light, moved, hit a pose the other light with the motion blur. So it's basically like a really long exposure, meaning like it takes about 30 seconds to a minute to actually take the picture. And so it like gets all realms of you moving like during the photo. So it's like one really cool final product. I saw a couple of them and they looked really cool. So I'm excited to get them. We'll see if I want $3,000. Fire!
I'm just like a part of your family now.
Look like cow nuts.
Are you blind?
Pancakes.
We're gonna watch Ella clean the kitchen. Time-lapse edition. No.
Guys, put this in your snowball. Oh my god.
You're gonna get diabetes and cancer.
Ew, why is it like...
It's old. That's been in there for a long time. Spring break could not come any faster.
I have 44 more days until school gets out. Plus spring break and plus weekends.
Like, what? That's like
so technically like 30.
Can you make me some food?
No.
Also, it was so nice out yesterday. We were like outside, and now it's literally freezing. I feel like I said that in every video. The weather has been like so bipolar. I'm gonna need Mother Nature to like talk to a therapist, control her emotions, and stay sunny.
You can certainly.
Why? Hello. Okay. Thank you. I got a matcha and this like feta wrap with avocado. Cause I'm a healthy nut. POV, I had literal Taco Bell Crunch Wrap this morning. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah. Thank you. Awesome. Thank you. Give her a little shake. That's nice. I used to be obsessed with matcha and got it too much, and then I started not liking it. But like, you only live once, and I keep seeing all these videos, okay? I keep seeing all these videos on TikTok, on Instagram. Actually, not on TikTok because I'm giving up the For You page for Lent, but it's been really hard. And I found myself just like unconsciously going to it and scrolling, and then I'm like, what am I doing? Get off. Yeah, it's that bad, guys. I don't know. But I'm kind of cheating because I've been going on Instagram Reels. Alright, they're cleaning up. Hi guys, I've been FaceTiming Abby for over an hour, but I'm still doing homework, so. Okay, I'm back. People, I swear this video is literally just me talking in my car, so I'm sorry, but it's fine. While today hasn't been like totally productive, it hasn't been not productive, so we are doing fine. Just want to say life is beautiful. Even if you're in a low point in life, you will come out of it. You are loved, and I believe in you. Have God, have faith, and that's all you need in life. And Love y'all.